Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Today in this video is all about unboxing and review. I bought this from Flipkart and the name is Chefman Barbeque grill. I gonna open this. The packaging and all is so good such that it should not get damaged. When I first open, you will find a grill such that you can keep your chicken or something else over here. And here the second part is where you will put your charcoal. It's openable and it's closable. And you will get 8 screws with wooden holder, and you will get a steel holder like this where you can invert or re-invert your substance like chicken. And these were the skewers where you can screw capsicum, paneer and all. And there will be small tiny holes such that all the flames of this charcoal should go easily, and there will be a 2 holder. You should fix it off that. I'm gonna fix this like this. There will be nut and bolts. You should insert that into the particular hole. And this is openable and closable charcoal holder. I'm gonna fix it off. Friends, you'll get this for $1,090 in Flipkart. It's a charcoal grill stand of a type of charcoal grill. It's not electric one. What I felt is the size is too small and the quality of this handle, that is 8 screwer with a wooden handle, is so poor, and even the size is small. Even I checked this with charcoal and flame. What I felt is somewhat dangerous. I think the quality is not so good. Even it is made of metal also. I think its durability or strength is not up to the mark, and I think the price is so much for this. I fired up with my charcoal by trying up with good things, but finally end up with useless. So I returned this product, and here you will not get charcoal. If you want, you should buy separately. If you wish to buy this, I'll share the link in the description. It's depend on you guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you friends.